daughter. You rejected the suitors. There comes a Kim. Oprah. Go call your uncles and call the aunties. Call all your brothers. Go call your sisters. Everybody sit down. Oprah sit next to a Kim. Oprah. Oprah. Let your uncle speak. Oprah, our daughter, we love you so. Go marry a Kim. We wish you well. Oprah. Make a Kim happy. Give him children. Go change the nappies and push the pram. Oprah. Go look after Kim and clean the house and cook for a Kim. Go do the shop and push the pram. Oprah. Make a Kim happy. Oprah say bye-bye to mom. Amano pa nyera gwara koko tekwa ajayu kyo yuech